name is Santa Sophia Gilby.
And I'm Jasmine Rose Edmonds.
In today's video, we will explain how mathematical induction works.
So let's start today's step 1, where the n is equal to 1b true. In mathematical introduction, we start by checking if the formula works from the first value of n, which is n equal to 1. Now we are proving 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus then this is 4n minus 3 equal n 2n minus 1. When n equals to 1, the left side is the first term and the right side is the second. Let's substitute the 1 in all n. Now let's substitute it. Let n equal to 1 parenthesis 2 parenthesis 1 minus 1. Itong 1, lalagay natin siya dito. Yung dalawang first natin solve ito is yung nasa loob. 2 times 1 times 1 equal 2. So, lalagay natin siya 2. Tapos, itong 1 na lalagay natin siya dito. Yan. 1. Natin natin itong yan, no? 2 minus 1 equal 1. Tapos, bring siya. 1 yung natira. 1 yung natira. So, ito. 1 times 1 equal 1. 1. Since both sides are equal, the formula is true for n equal 1. That means our base case is valid and we can continue to the next step. Now let's proceed to the step 2. n parenthesis n equal k. For each step, we assume that the formula works from some number n equal k and is called the inductive hypothesis. So we assume 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus 4k minus 3 equal k 2k parenthesis minus 1 parenthesis pala, I forgot. This assumption doesn't mean we haven't proved it yet. It's just temporary statement we use to show that the formula will also hold when we move to the final step. Shakia will explain it.
Step 3, now I will explain to you how it works. So, yung first step natin, para ma-prove natin na yung n is equal to k1, is yung i-substitute natin yung na-assume natin sa formula. So, na-substitute natin siya as a 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus up to 4k minus 3 plus 4, open and close parenthesis, k plus 1, 3 equal k plus 1 times 2 times k plus 1 minus 1. So, kaya yung mga k dito, naging siyang k plus 1 is kailangan nga natin siyang i-substitute as a k plus 1. So, let's proceed in this side muna. Dito muna tayo magpo-focus sa 1 hanggang sa negative 3 or minus 3. So, para mas mapaliit natin siya, yung k times 2k minus 1 plus 4k plus 4 minus 3. So, ginawa natin, eto munang dulo na to yung sinod natin. So, naging siyang 4k plus 1. Kasi nga, etong 4 minus 3 is magiging na lang siyang positive 1. So, naging siyang plus 1. So, tapos yung dito, eto, dito na tayo magpo-focus. Naging siyang 2k squared kasi nga, 2 times 2k is 2k squared. Tapos, plus 1 times negative, k times negative 1 is k. Tapos, etong 4k plus 1, i-bring down lang natin siya. So, naging siyang 2k squared plus 3k plus 1. Kung nagtataka kayo kung paano natin ito nakuha, kasi nga, negative k plus 4k is equal to 3k. Tapos, bringing down lang natin yung 2k squared, tapos yung plus 1. So, tapos na tayo dito. Lumipat naman tayo sa kabilang side, which is yung k plus 1 times 2 times k plus 1 minus 1. So, k plus 1 times 2k plus 1, open and close parenthesis, minus 1. K plus 1 times 2k plus 2 minus 1. Magiging siyang k, bring down lang natin yung k at saka 1. Dito muna tayo mag-focus. So, naging siyang 2k plus 1. Kasi nga, ay 2 to 2. Kasi nga, pinag-add natin yung k plus 1 doon. De 2 siya. So, naging na lang siyang positive 1 dito. Kasi nga, 2, positive 2 plus negative 1 is equal to 1. So, naging na lang siyang k plus 1 times 2k plus 1. Tapos, eto, minultiply natin siya ulit to. Naging siyang 2k squared plus negative k ay plus k minus 2k plus 1. So, pagka tinimes mo siya or pinlas mo yung k sa 2k, magiging siyang 3k. Tapos, bring down the positive 1. So, in that case, na-prove po natin na parehas sila. So, kapag parehas yung dalawang yon, ibig sabihin nun, na-prove na natin na yung n is equal siya sa k plus 1. By the principle of mathematical induction, we have shown that formula of 1 plus 5 plus 9 up to 4n minus 3 is equal to 2n minus 1 is true for all positive integers, and this complete our proof na totoo and na patunayan ng mathematical induction na tama yung piniproof natin. Thank you, Sir Aaron. I hope this mathematical induction, our presentation, is been helpful, and I hope you learned something from us too. Thank you, sir.